Hi traders, my name is Duncan Cooper and I'm a Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at AUDJPY Securities. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the key trading levels for the week ahead for the pairs the Australian dollar to the Japanese yen, the Australian dollar to the US dollar, the euro to the Japanese yen, the euro to the US dollar, the pound to the Japanese yen and the pound to the US dollar. So let's get into the first pair. Hi traders, hope you had a great trading week last week. Now I'm on the Aussie Yen Day Chart. Got my monthly, weekly, daily support and resistance levels drawn in. They're all referenced in the description below. I'll just talk about the ones closest to price action that I'm watching. Now last week, price action failed at 95.73 weekly resistance up here and formed a double top. So I'm anticipating a further decline this week. And we've moved below this level of support here at 93.88 and 93.68. These are day levels of support that we've moved below. So what I'm anticipating is that yes, we'll move down, but we may well see a rally back into this now resistance area before then a move down to test day support at 91.95, and can we move down to test 91.41 weekly support. Now this area was clear support last time we were here. We kind of formed an inverted head and shoulder pattern to move up. So expect this area to be support in the short term, if not the long term. So looking for a move down to test this area of support, and we could well then hold for a move back up from that level. Alright traders, moving on to the Aussie dollar. Now we just managed to eke out again just this week. During Friday's trading we're actually down at a loss for the week, but just managed to find a gain for the week. So we're just in an area of monthly resistance here at 69.67 up to 69.91, and popping up Friday to test this day chart resistance level here at 70.30. So it's looking a little bit like it's a struggle above 70. So can this pair further advance, close above the 70 level and come up and test 70.69. So can we get any further advance up to this area of resistance? Overall, this is just a corrective move on the weekly chart. So I'm looking in this area, this zone, for price to fail and start to move back down. Time will tell. We've got the interest rate decision coming out on Tuesday, so we might still have a little bit more of a movement up, but I am going to be watching if we can get up there. 70.69, this day resistance level. Does price get up to this level, hold, fail, and then want to start to move down, back down towards this low here that we formed 2 or 3 weeks ago. Okay, so I'm looking for this area to be a weekly lower top formation for a move down. Alright, moving along to the Euro Yen Day Chart. Now we had a significant decline Thursday into Friday, and we closed below the 136.86 weekly support level there. So I'm now anticipating that to be resistance into the new week. So we may well get some form of a rally. Can price rally back up to 136.86, hold for a further decline down, and can we come down to start to test 134.12 monthly support. And below there's lots of support levels from the weekly chart. So there's a monthly top at 134.12, and then we've got day support, and then there's 3 weekly levels of support down here. So expect support to come in down here, but we may well come down and test this area before bouncing back up. Alright, so that's what I'm looking for next week. Can we hold now below 136.86 on a retest for a move down to test monthly support at 134.12? Alright, up next, the Euro Dollar Day Chart. Now, very consolidatory at the moment, and I'm sitting on my hands at the moment, but what I'd like to do is trade down from a higher level. Overall, on the weekly chart, the trend is down, but consolidating here, we put in a higher bottom here on the day chart. Now, price may well stay in consolidation. It may well just come up to 102.78 daily resistance and then just move back down to monthly daily support down here. monthly support at 101.18, day support a little bit deeper at 100.96. Okay, may well just do that for the week. But what I'm actually looking for is, can price get up to and challenge broken monthly support at 103.40? Then do we hold there and then start to put in the lower top on the weekly chart for the longer term move down? So I'm looking for failure up here at monthly resistance at 103.40 for a further move down. Alright traders, moving on to pound yen. Now this had a nice decline down from the 166.24 day resistance level. Much like the Aussie yen, it formed a double top and then has been selling off. Did on Friday test day support here at 161.57, but I'm anticipating if this trend continues to unfold that we're going to see a move down to challenge these weekly support levels at 160.38 and 159.98. Now it may come back up, test 162.97, so intraday you might see a failure there for an opportunity to get in to sell, for a move down to break below day support and challenge these weekly support levels 160.38 and 159.98. Alright, so that's what I'm looking for. Double top, looking for the trend to continue down. Do we get a retest now of 162.97 resistance for a further move down to challenge weekly support? Alright traders, last pair to review for the weekend, pound US dollar. Now it's formed an uptrend here, slowly but surely grinding up, forming an uptrend. Don't forget the monthly and weekly chart trends are down, so I'm just looking as this is a corrective phase that may come to an end shortly. So we just got short of 122.51 weekly resistance. Go to your weekly chart, you'll find it back in time. And are we able to move above that level this week? Right, big indecision day Friday. We were down, we were up, and pretty much finished at break even. So that could actually be the end of the run up. If we can move further up, the level that I'd like to see tested is this 123.32 daily resistance level. We consolidated here before moving down. So are we moving back up to that area to fail for the next move down? Alright, so can we? At the moment I'm sitting on my hands, but I'm going to watch to see if price can get up to this level, 123.32. Does price hold and fail at this level? And then want to start to form the next move down to challenge the low that we formed 2 or 3 weeks ago, down at 117.60. Alright, so I'm still on the side of the sellers in terms of the weekly chart being clearly down, just looking for a weekly lower top to form somewhere. Does it form at 123.32 for the next move down? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan.bray at acy.com to get access.